What's up, y'all? It's your homeboy Bullish Money coming at you from outdoors this time. And well, as you can see, the sun behind me has just recently set, and it's an appropriate setting for what's going on in the financial markets. And so we're seeing a lot of enthusiasm still in the equities markets, but I think that it is truly a fake phenomenon that's going on. And while the equities will eventually fade, we'll see a surge, I believe, in the precious metals as well as other alternative investments such as Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency complex. Bitcoin, as you guys know, is adopting a certain level or attracting a certain level of safe haven sentiment, and that's really bullish for that entire for the blockchain market, so to speak. But today, I want to talk about silver and precious metals in general, but silver in particular because it's so undervalued relative to gold. I think this is a phenomenal opportunity, especially if you haven't been involved in the silver market. This is a great time. At current prices, $15, a little bit above $15. I mean, it's just a ridiculous situation. While you see gold experiencing a surge up in due to the fear trade, silver, which is highly correlated with the gold price, still remains deflated. That situation, I can almost guarantee that situation will not sustain itself. At some point, you will see silver prices rise dramatically, and it's just something that you all need to be aware of. This is probably one of the greatest opportunities, perhaps in a lifetime opportunity to get involved at silver at these currently ridiculous and deflated prices. But while you're paying attention to the spot silver price, you should also consider the mining segment. The mining segment for silver, for gold, for these precious metals, I think, is also a tremendous opportunity. Part of the reason why is that we have additional sentiment. As you know, as I just explained, gold prices have moved up because of the fear trade, and that naturally lends itself to interest in the mining sector. Because let's face it, gold, silver, these are physical assets, and a lot of folks, they're just not interested in holding physical assets. A lot of obviously with technology, you see it in people's personal lives and professional lives. Everything is moving to the digital format or the digital platform. You see it, the big rise in cloud computing. Nobody wants to hold on to physical stuff. And I think that it really applies to the investment sector. A lot of people just prefer the convenience of going digital, so to speak. So I think that's one of the primary reasons why mainstream investors prefer the mining sector as opposed to the physical bullion markets, or the physical bullion assets, I should say. And another reason is because there's this additional sentiment. There's a lot of mergers and acquisitions, a lot of activity going on in this segment, and you want to plug yourself into this development, because you never know, some of these mining stocks could skyrocket a bit based on the M&A dynamic. And also, we have to consider that the mining segment right now, the mining market, those that exist as we speak today, those that exist, they went through the troubles of late 2013, 2014, 2015. There was a lot of troubles going on in the precious metal segment, in commodities in general, energy, the energy crisis of 2014 and 2015. You all know what happened there. And so the companies that survived those embattled those embattled years, they're more likely to do well because they're leaner, meaner, and they've been put through this baptism of fire. Because of that, these investments are much more stronger than your typical investment or your typical junior mining company that you know they may just exist in name only, and they don't really have the fundamentals. They don't have the management team to guide them through both bull and bear markets. The names that are available today, those are the names that have gone through, again, that baptism of fire. And so this is a great opportunity because whether you're looking at the precious metals themselves or whether you're looking at the mining segment, you're still talking about relatively, comparatively deflated valuations or deflated prices. And so this situation may not last. And in fact, I don't imagine it lasting for much longer. And when I say much longer, maybe we're talking about a few months. Maybe you have a few months cushion, but I wouldn't wait too much. I wouldn't wait to gamble on silver prices hitting at $14 or $13. I think we've pretty much hit a bottom. So it may go sideways, but I don't really foresee silver prices being that much deflated below the current price point of $15.40, I think it was, and last time I checked. So I wanted to share with you where my thoughts are, where my money is, and yeah, I think we're going to be in for a great ride. So I'll check in with you guys next time.